Hello everyone, this is Sanutha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I create content on self-improvement, mindset, books and lifestyle. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right now if any of these interests you. We all know that morning routines can be very helpful in making our days more intentional and productive. And this is because productivity is not just about getting things done, but it is also about the intention and the quality with which we do the tasks. And having an intentional morning routine definitely helps you to set the tone for the day and also improve your day. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some habits for a productive and an intentional morning routine. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing is to not check your social media the first thing in the morning. It is a bitter truth that most of us these days are getting glued to our gadgets, our electronic gadgets, and our social media. But it is very important that you don't check your social media the first thing in the morning because, despite its amazing benefits, social media can negatively impact your productivity and your mental health, especially checking it the first thing in the morning. Because when you check social media the first thing in the morning, it's literally like you are putting thousands and hundreds of messages, news into yourself, and this creates a feeling of anxiety and stress. Because, like Jay Shetty shares in his book Think Like a Monk, looking at your phone the first thing in the morning is literally like inviting 100 chatty strangers into your room before even you have brushed your teeth. And when you do this, it immediately, makes you feel very overwhelmed with stress, pressure, and anxiety because you're not even giving enough time and space to start your day in an intentional and a calm way. Oh, well, you might say that, oh, Sanutha, I won't check my phone for news. But you know what? You're still getting the news even if you're not purposefully looking for it. And that makes your brain distracted for the rest of the day because you're starting off your day by getting distracted, messing up with your productivity and peace. So stop checking social media or your phone the first thing in the morning because it is not good for your health, it is not good for your productivity and intentional living. It also makes you feel stressed and distracted. And the second habit for a productive and intentional morning routine is to make your bed. Making your bed in the morning is another really important thing that you need to do in order to have a productive and intentional morning routine and also have a productive day because making your bed the first thing in the morning helps you start off your day right. Though this might seem like a very unimportant or small task and you might often neglect it, making your bed the first thing in the morning definitely helps you because it gives you a sense of accomplishment, it makes you feel proud and it also creates a positive tone for the rest of your day. And when you feel accomplished, it motivates you to get more things done and be productive throughout the day because when you make your bed, it becomes a keystone habit and it kickstarts a chain of other good decisions we take throughout the day which helps you get more things done. Also, when you start off your day by making your bed the first thing in the morning, it improves your ability to be more disciplined in your actions by taking good decisions in other aspects of your life. Also, I'm not going to talk much about the importance of making your bed or why you need to make your bed every day because I already have a complete video up on my channel where I talk about why making your bed is important and what are the benefits of making your bed. I have in depth talked about this, so do check the video out. The link will be in the description. And the third habit is to have a glass of water. Having a glass of water in the morning is a very healthy habit that I recommend everyone to adopt in your life because drinking water in the morning is very beneficial in maintaining a healthy body and mind. Drinking water the first thing in the morning helps to rehydrate your body because you might have had a 6 to 8 hours sleep and that is definitely a long time to go without consuming any water. So when you wake up and drink some water, it helps to hydrate your body and stay healthy. Drinking water in the morning also fuels up your brain because staying hydrated is very important for maintaining optimal brain activity as human brain is made up of 73% water and staying hydrated is very important. Apart from this, there are a lot of other benefits of drinking water the first thing in the morning and it is definitely a great way to improve your health. And moreover, in the early morning when you just get out of your bed and you're still in that half asleep state, drinking a glass of water refreshes you and sets a great start for the day. Because a refreshing glass of water can energize you and help you feel more positive and prepared for the day ahead. So I definitely recommend you to try to avoid drinking any caffeinated drinks the first thing in the morning. Instead, replace the same with a glass of water because drinking a glass of water is definitely a healthier and a better choice. And the fourth habit for an intentional and productive morning routine is to meditate. Yes, morning meditation can be a life-changing habit if you practice it consistently and regularly because practicing meditation in the morning has a lot of benefits and is a great way to start your day. This is because when you meditate, the pituitary gland in your brain secretes endorphins, which makes you feel good both emotionally and physically. Meditating also makes you feel positive because meditating enhances activity in the area of your brain that's associated with positive emotions. Meditating also sets a very calm tone for your entire day. Yes, because unlike when you watch your phone the first thing in the morning, when you meditate the first thing in the morning, or when you meditate in the morning, it definitely helps you to have a more calm, productive, and an intentional day. So try to meditate for a few minutes in the morning so that it not only makes you feel calm and grounded at that moment, but also carries that tone for the rest of the day. And the fifth habit for an intentional and productive morning routine is to stretch your body. Stretching your body in the morning is a very healthy habit to include in your morning routine, and it is very important for your overall well-being. One of the main reasons for why you need to stretch your body in the morning is because when you have slept for a long time, your body's muscles would have relaxed and your body's blood flow would have decreased. So it is very important to stretch your body once you wake up so that your muscles won't tighten up, and you can also increase your blood flow and feel good. Also, as you sit in a particular position for the most of the day while working or studying, it is very important to stretch your body in the morning, because doing so definitely helps to prevent back pain, and it also improves your body posture. Yes, this is because tense muscles leads to bad posture, but when you stretch your body in the morning, it helps to loosen up your muscles and improve your overall body posture. So definitely try to stretch your body in the morning, even if it is a little bit, because it's very important for your overall health and well-being. And the sixth habit for an intentional and productive morning routine is to plan your day. Planning is one of the most primary and important things that you need to do before you start doing anything, because when you have a plan, it provides you with directions on how and what you need to do. And similarly, planning your day in the morning is very helpful and important, because when you have a clear idea of what your day looks like, you can reduce unnecessary stress and also get things done. So make sure to sit and write down all the little tasks that you have to complete on that day, and then have 3 major tasks that you want to complete and focus on them. And if you're someone for whom time blocking and batching works, while you plan your day, also make sure to schedule all the tasks for that particular time and block time for each task. When you start your day with a plan, it builds a momentum from the moment you wake up, which goes on to the entire day and helps you get things done. So make sure to plan your day so that it gives you a direction on what to work on, so which also leads to you being more productive and efficient. And the seventh habit is to eat healthy breakfast. Most of you might have already heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and this is a popular saying, and definitely for a good reason. Yes, eating a healthy breakfast is very important, because when you wake up from your long hours of sleep, breakfast replenishes the stores of energy and nutrients in your body. Also, some of you might have experienced this, you sometimes feel very sluggish and we struggle to focus before having breakfast, but after having breakfast, we have better ability to focus on things, and this is because your brain wouldn't have received the energy it requires to get going and focus better. So when you have a healthy breakfast, it boosts your brain power and also increases the ability to focus and concentrate better. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and also share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.